Hi there! In this tutorial, we will cover a simple and fast method for coloring organic characters, such as human, animals, and creatures, as well as their clothing. For this, in Blender, you just need to select the paintbrush, and from the Mask menu, choose the Mask from Cavity option. You can do the same in ZBrush from the Masking tab by selecting the Mask by Cavity option. After masking, select your color from the color palette and play with the mask and its options, such as smooth, invert, and increase contrast until we reach the desired result. You can repeat this process over and over again, and use other brushes, such as a blur brush, to edit the colors and especially the boundary between them.